If you're here, then you're probably writing a lot of code like this. You have a function which has a do try, and you print the error if something happens with a quick little error.localized description. Here to tell you that that is not the best way to do things. Swift actually has a logger built in for you that you should be using. So create a new file, import os log. You can call this whatever. Just make sure not to call this struct logger because the logger itself is called logger, so to get confused. Like if you know, so don't do that. We're gonna make it static because there should be only really one instance of your logger. There's just no point in creating multiple instances. And instead of writing this print, what we're gonna do is grab that logger, and you'll see there are just so many built-in functions: info, error, debug, log, warning. Just do a quick little debug message. It didn't work. Oh, great spelling, man. It didn't work. Nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And then if you're gonna use it here, you're also gonna have to import os log. And to show you why this is better in every possible way, well, one main thing is it spit it out. It's got much better performance. When you actually publish it to the App Store, it won't try to compute those print functions. It disappears in production. Oh crap! Wait, the task. Bang. Oh, this one actually shows because we never throw in errors. So let's just do logger.info. I don't know. And then another one, app.logger.error. Error. Okay. And what you'll see is when we play this, we get so much more information. So you'll see. Bang. So it says that you see that little I, that's for info, the two exclamation marks, and then we got our message right here, error. It gives us a timestamp built in. We'll get into what this is a little later, but this is much more useful than the print function, which doesn't have any of this, and it comes with so many functions that you can really just differentiate between what is what, critical, fault, notice. You can just play around with these. It's not hard to use at all. Alright, what else? So you can see, obviously, there's also something else you could do with the logger, which is, come on, give me the completion. System, I think that's what it is. So, and then subcategory, I think it is. Yo, sick, man. This is right? I have no idea. Oh, it's because I'm not in the freaking thing. Sub. Yeah. So this should be like your bundle ID. I'm gonna call it logger test, and category, let's just say UI testing. But you can see how this is useful. So when you later try to reference your logs, you can have categories for like networking, categories for view models, categories for authentication, whatever you want. And it's not just to view them here, but you can also view them in the console. So if you search up console on your utilities, you'll find them. Go to the proper device, and you can search for the specific subsystem, and it'll pull up all the log messages. It does take a moment to update, so I don't know if yeah, I mean, obviously it's not gonna work right now because I didn't even play it with the new subsystem. But you can see all sorts of messages here as well to reference back later, and it can be helpful. You can look at them like that, or you can look at them through the terminal. I don't know, is that really it? I think that's it. Yeah, just don't use print. It's the devil's function, man. This is just so much better performance. Oh, it's got privacy filters too. So imagine I had some username equals John Doe. That's what I would try to do. It didn't work. And I try to do some string interpolation, like username. What I can do afterwards. Crap. Privacy. Nice. It's just not gonna work. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. What am I doing wrong? Oh. I don't know why I got rid of those. Alright, bro. Gotta restart. John Doe. Yeah, this is the most jankiest tutorial ever. Sick, man. Username. Yeah, okay. I don't know why that was so hard. But, so in case like these do go out to production, you can set these to private. Like anytime you string interpolate any sensitive information, this could be username, password, whatever. Put into private. You can also like put a mask on them. Private mask, and then like hash them. So you can see that they're still there, but they'll be like hashed into like this random generated number. And this is good for like privacy, so like some random person just can't like see your shit. Yeah, man, that's it. Just it's really easy to set up, like I said. um Static let logger, so you have one instance. Subsystem should really be your bundle ID name, category, whatever you want it to be. And all I have to do is just spam these everywhere. That's really all there is to it. Yeah, hopefully I know that was a janky ass tutorial, but hopefully the point got across. If you have any questions, leave a comment.